Welcome to YouTube Rules. Today in this video we are going to let you know about an important rule of YouTube that would make your channel rejected when you apply to YouTube Partner Program. Which means you cannot monetize your channel anyway. First, before we get started, like and subscribe to this channel if you don't, and also share this video to your friends so you can help them to get it. Easy, listen carefully so you can understand it all. You have to know that YouTube will reject your channel if you made this mistakes as follow. Reapply after deleting videos with copyright or reuse content issues. How? Do not reapply your channel few minutes after deleting videos contained with copyright or reused content issues from your channel. If you made this mistake, YouTube would not accept your channel. The more you made this mistake to your channel, the more it be rejected or not accepted to YouTube monetization. I know you may leave a question in your mind. And your question will be, why? Reason: YouTube are updating everything after 24 hours. But you deleted videos with copyright or reused content issues and reapply your channel few minutes after. This means all data on the videos you deleted has not been updated to YouTube, and YouTube would regard it as not deleted and finally reject your channel after reapplying it. What is the solution? The only solution is, you must take up to 24 hours before reapplying your channel after deleting any of the videos in your channel. Hope you enjoy this video. And if yes, like and subscribe to this channel. Then hit the bell icon to get notified anytime we upload new videos to this channel. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.